Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. Want to talk about our Python assignment number 4, while loop and dot notation. So you're going to be creating a program in Python that does the following. All right, so one, you're going to declare a variable and ask the user a question. Who is the best teacher in the world? Okay, so then using a while loop, develop the following algorithm. If we think back, an algorithm is simply a set of instructions. Okay, if the user enters anything other than Mr. Zern, give them a message letting them know that they are incorrect. This should continue until they enter Mr. Zern as a correct answer. If the user enters Mr. Zern, give them a message letting them know that they are correct. Capitalization should not matter. For example, the following variation should be accepted as correct. All right, so you can see them there on the screen. We've got Mr. Zern in a variety of capital and lowercase configurations. And then, of course, use hashtags to describe what you were doing in the code. All right, so I've got my program running here. I have the code hidden from you. And so it asks this question: who is the best teacher in the world? Well, I mean, I think Mr. Belos is pretty awesome. Mr. Belos is okay, but not the best. Mr. Zern is better. Who is the best teacher in the world? Well, I think Mr. Baker is probably the best. Geez, Mr. Baker is okay, but not the best. Mr. Zern is better. Who is the best teacher in the world? Well, I guess it must be Mr. Zern. Let's see. Oh, you are correct. Mr. Zern is the best teacher. All right, so we can see that program running there. Basically, we've got a while loop in there that we're testing against. We're using some dot notation, so the answer is being accepted regardless of capital letters. I got a response when I did it incorrectly, and then I got a response at the end when I did it wrong. All right, best of luck with that. I can't wait to see your program, and be sure to share the link with me so that I can check that out. All right, good luck, everyone. Talk to you later.